All right, so we're gonna go ahead and sand this a little bit because we need to set this up properly. Let me get this started here. And I do see a lot of little things that I have to sand, leaving it out, especially on this part right here. These are things that you're not gonna see, but the adhesive has to grab on, so I printed them all out. This is gonna be here, this is gonna be here in a wooden box. This is a perfect gift for those that are looking for a Valentine's, a fast Valentine's, print it on your own time. My wife's a big fan of this art, so put it here on the side, cover some of the black. Right. So where do we start? We start with the glue. Some glue going. There's a glue coming out, perfect. Only in the parts that it's going to be grabbing onto, all right? That's where we're going to concentrate on. That should do it. Now, we are going to grind a little bit of this. Let me close the glue too. Always sand it if you want to grab it too on because it's a little slippery. This will actually open up so it could grab onto your models. Okay, I think we did it, so this is good enough. Turn this off. We're gonna glue this now, so let's get this glue. This is gonna go on this side right here, like somewhere on there. So that's good enough. Drop it wherever you want. That's to be perfect. We'll move it sideways just a little bit like that. All right, that should do it. Look at that. It's gonna grab on really quick. So, and then you could hang this, of course. Like I said, I bought this on Michael's, and look at that beautiful art piece. 3-dimensional. She's in the glue. So, hope you guys enjoy this video.